What kind of cables do I need to connect my phone to my smart TV for picture transfer?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about connecting your smartphone to your smart TV for picture transfer. Whether you want to showcase your latest holiday photos or watch a movie downloaded on your phone, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease.
What cables do I need?
The type of cable you need depends on your smartphone and TV model. Here are the most common ones. 1. HDMI cable. If your phone has a mini HDMI out port, which is rare nowadays, and your TV has an HDMI port, an HDMI cable can be used directly. 2. MHL, Mobile High Definition Link, cable. Many modern smartphones use MHL cables for connecting to TVs. These cables are usually micro USB to HDMI. 3. USB Type-C to HDMI cable. If your phone uses a USB Type-C charger, you may need a USB Type-C to HDMI cable. This is particularly common for newer smartphones. Remember to check your device's compatibility with these cables before purchasing.
How do I connect my phone to my TV?
Once you have the right cable, you can follow these steps. 1. Connect one end of the cable to your smartphone. 2. Connect the other end to your smart TV. 3. Switch your TV to the correct input. This can usually be done using your TV remote, selecting Input or Source, and choosing the HDMI port you plugged into. 4. Your phone should automatically recognize the connection and allow you to mirror your screen on the TV.
What if my phone and TV are wireless?
There are also wireless methods available if your devices support it. 1. Miracast. This is a wireless standard that creates a direct connection between your phone and smart TV. If both your devices support Miracast, you can easily mirror your phone's screen. 2. Wi-Fi Direct. If your TV supports Wi-Fi Direct, you can connect your phone to your TV directly via Wi-Fi without the need for a Wi-Fi network. 3. DLNA, Digital Living Network Alliance, apps. If your smart TV and phone are both DLNA enabled, you can use DLNA apps like Bubble UPnP, Plex, or Allcast to stream photos, videos, and music. And there you have it. Connecting your smartphone to your smart TV for picture transfer can be a breeze with the right cable or wireless technology. Make sure to consult your device's manuals for specific instructions and compatibility. Happy streaming!